It sounds like a racy, Hollywood thriller involving terrorists against a state, but that is exactly what has quite happened. Unfortunately, 9 lives have paid the price of it. In Faridabad, investigators have said that Dr. Omar had planned the attack, but after the Faridabad module was busted on Monday, he was in a sense of panic and he left with the car. He might have had help with 2 aides, and in a sense of panic, he detonated the ammunition, the explosives right outside gate number 1, Red Fort. The terror trail now stretching from Delhi to Pulwama to Faridabad. The car used was first registered to Delhi's Salman, then sold to Pulwama's Tariq, who is currently being questioned. Tariq then handed the car to Omar Mohammed. This particular car was later challaned in Faridabad sector 37D on September 20th, linking all 3 cities in a chilling chain. This particular car then was later on the 10th of November seen crossing over on CCTV from the Badarpur border at 8 a.m. on the 10th of November. The probe has now returned to Faridabad once again, where the terror module was first busted. The cops have launched a massive search operation in connection to Dr. Mohammad Omar, not just returned to Faridabad, now also shifted to Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow University, the Integrated Medical University, where a fresh connection of Dr. Parvez Ansari is also coming to light. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee now joining us live. Shreya, just for a moment, if one steps back and reflects at the enormity in terms of, we might give it a glib word and say that this is white-collar terror module that has been busted. But the enormity of the fact that 4 trained doctors, all involved in plotting terror in the heart of the capital, the level of indoctrination, the level of radicalization does need to be reflected on.
Well, absolutely, Preeti. And we're talking about initial information that's obviously which is coming in from the investigation that 3 of them were linked with Al Fallah University. Now, a link of a Lucknow doctor is also coming in with the UP ATS and Faridabad police doing a joint raid. Yes, they were doctors, but we're still to get the final information for how long were they radicalized. This does not look like an immediate operation that was done. These have to be sleeper cells who have been radicalized for way more time. They were activated for a very specific plan.